Hello everyone, we are here in the studio today with some robots and some people, and the people apparently made the robots, which they're going to tell us about. We've got Raleigh here from, Raleigh is from Purcell Intermediary School, and we've also got Anna Lee from Norman, Cleveland Elementary, right? Mm-hmm. And these two are going to be taking part in the Junior Botball Challenge. So, tell us a little bit about what these are. What do you have here?
Well, these little guys are robots, as you can tell, but they help us do challenges. If that comes from grabbing a can or pushing cans or coming them into whatever form of whatever, really. These guys can really just push anything to anywhere. Great. I mean, cans. So.
Okay, so and then you've got your one of your mentors here, Mr. Good Game, Steve Good Game. And so can you tell me a little bit about the Botball, what it is, who it's for, all that kind of stuff?
Sure. So Botball is produced by the KISS Institute for Practical Robotics. We're based in Norman. We're a nonprofit. We're located there because our founder is a professor of aerospace mechanical engineering at University of Oklahoma. University of Oklahoma is sponsoring all this, College of Engineering. Dean Landers sees the value of what we're doing. So what we have here is we're teaching elementary kids to write code, coupled with engineering design, and the coolest thing is these kids are writing real code, just like college freshmen do.
Writing code in the C programming language,
in the C programming language.
Anna Lee, tell me a little bit about that. What's it like?
It's really fun. We can program as much as we want. You can do 2 different programs. One's motor and then one's MRP. And MRP doesn't take that much to do, but motor, you have to like write a bunch of it, and then MRP you just have to write the motor, then you have to write the speed, then you have to write how long you want it to go.
Okay, you guys are in 5th grade, and you're already programming, and Steve, you were telling me that it's in some ways like easier for the younger people to learn the programming languages.
You know, I really think it is, because at that age they're learning grammar and they're learning languages, so they're open to those ideas. So oftentimes it's the adults that have a hard time thinking about programming, but the kids pick it up immediately. And the important thing is it's basically computational thinking is what they're getting. That's directly tied to math skills, and I mean, that's going to help these kids whether or not they turn into a software engineer or whatever they do. I mean, you know, most of the jobs in STEM, in fact 70% of them in the next decade, are computer programming.
Well, so this is a competition open to kindergartners through 5th grade, and that's why it's the junior level. There's also the Botball competition, that's for the older kids. And your contest is going to be tomorrow in Norman. How does the contest work, Raleigh?
Well, there's a few judges for each challenge, and depending on what you have to do to complete the challenge, if that means taking a can and bringing it back, like you'll see here, or whatever, you'll get a completion point. If you get all the completion points, including the mystery challenge, which you have to program right then and there, you'll get a trophy because you completed everything.
Okay. Have you guys been to one of these competitions before?
Well, there was a kind of a mini one, just to kind of get prepared, back in, I think, February. And it was pretty cool. You get a little taste of it. Yeah,
a little experience behind your belt. Well, so what do you like doing with your robots? What do you like to make them do?
I like to make, sometimes if you like complete the challenge, some of our other teams, they'll like program the robot to go up and like spin in circles for like happy robot, and then come back and just go all happy.
So you can make it do all kinds of different physical things, right? Mm-hmm. Like, can you make it talk or give me breakfast? No? You gotta work on that for me. Well, all right. So tell us a little bit more about what this gives the kids as far as skills.
Yeah, so the skill for the kids, there's all the critical thinking skills. There's all the 21st century skills, collaboration, teamwork, decision making. What we're seeing from the teachers, because we focus on empowering the elementary teachers themselves, because they're the mentor that's with the kids all day long. So we empower them, and what they see is attention to detail, precision. Teachers are telling us they've never seen the kids this motivated before to do something. And let's make no mistake, this is rigorous. What they're doing is challenging, and it's not easy. But they're so motivated that they do it, and of course motivated students are what a teacher wants.
Yeah. Well, you're going to have more than 100 different schools competing?
That's correct.
That's amazing. That's a ton of kids. And this is great to get your STEM skills up to speed, and that's what we need. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Software engineer.
Yeah? Well, this is perfect training, right?
Yeah.
You even got your I Heart Coding button right here, so you're all set. And what do you want to do?
I want to be a pro soccer player.
A pro soccer. Maybe you can make a soccer robot.
There you go.
Be like program it from the sidelines.
Goal. All right, guys. Well, thanks for being here and telling us about your bots, and good luck with your challenge tomorrow. And it's great work that you're doing
Yes.
too.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate you being here.
Thank you.
What I'm doing is it's supposed to park in the blue garage. It can touch any part of the mat except any parts of the blue edges. So I'm going to see if it works.
Well, for this challenge, this robot is going to go out here, it's going to grab the can, and it's going to come back behind the starting line. All right, there you go.
So what's supposed to happen is we made a program and it's supposed to follow the black line, and when it sees the white, it like turns back to the black line, and it's trying to go all the way back down to the finish line.